Welcome to Invest. We talk about investing, finance, and professional development. As the current time of 7:49 a.m. on the Eastern Time, Ethereum could trade $3,053. That's about close to 5% so far. With respect to over crypto market and the equity market, we are opening on the Monday on the relatively negative notes. Seems like on the media front, there are, signals around recession, and there's also another made-up word, war session, which is obviously driving more fear mongering among investors as we're shifting on to the second week of Q2 so far. And something that we know collectively on a historical perspective, April has historically been a positive month. So we are in the mid of it at the moment, and seems like we are still trending down. But in terms of how much are we be trending down, the technical will indicate the level of leap down will potentially get down to. So without wasting more time, let's just dive straight into it. With respect to recording time of 7:50 a.m. on the Eastern Time, just want to say happy Monday. And again, thank you so much for the kind notes that you guys have given me. I spent some time yesterday just relax a little bit. I spent a day with my mom and relaxed a little bit, ate some fast food, and relaxed, and I slept well, and I'm ready to take on the day with your support and village of people to focusing on the vision and the mission going forward, right? So I appreciate you. I love you guys, and let's just dive straight into it. So right now we broke through the 3158. We are levitating above the 3050, which this is expected, right? The level of 3050 is a flat number. Basically, it's like we're trading above $3,000 at the moment, right? And what's the momentum looking like? We're still trending down on both sides. Our side is on 44 out of 70, so it's a good level to start thinking about buying. The bottom, technically, if we are going to continue to sell off, will be 2853. So I think buying now would not be a terrible idea, nor buying at the 2853 would still be a great idea, actually. Right now, the technical is speaking the truth. It seems like we might be seeing more sell-off coming because it seems like the cup and handle has broken. This is a head and shoulder. You see a head, a shoulder, and right now this is just the technical telling the truth, selling back down to 2853. But in terms of how much, again, right, 2853 would be the lowest based on the level. As we leap down, will be somewhere around like the 35 out of 70. With respect to Bitcoin, selling down to 40,000, which is very logical. The 39 out of 70 right now. So buying the dip around 40,000 would be a very smart idea. Do we see 37,500? I would say not really. Do we see 34,500? I think that will be a stretch. So 40,000 all the way to 39 would be very logical based on the current setup right now. Ethereum Classic is still continuing to sell down. We are, have a large separation on the MACD front. At the same time, we're at the 44 out of 70. So we are testing the first level resistance. Second level is 34. Third level is 28. Okay, so I would just probably stay away right now. But if you match the levels, I think buying somewhere around the 35-ish. Yeah, anywhere below 35 is logical based on the current momentum and the leap downs from here. Dogecoin is going to continue to sell down. We formed a death cross officially. Now we had that little pump yesterday. You could see that we got all the way to 1573 at one point. Very manipulative, I would say, this chart. I would not really touch this at all. I would only touch this if we come down to like anywhere from 11 cents below from here. Cardano's down about 6%. This doesn't seem very healthy. The momentum is relatively bearish. Coming down to like 85 to 75 below would be where I would be officially touching at right now. But right now it's not. I don't think we're ready yet. We're just levitating, coming down. We're matching with the first level, which is relatively weak. So yeah, 85 to 75 from here. And then Solana. Solana is selling off like crazy right now because of the let me just look at the daily chart again. It went up too fast, right? Too fast, too quick, and now it's just cooling down at the 44 out of 70. So where do we see us going, right? Right now 104. we're basically matching with the previous level that we had prior, like the little mountain peaks, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So if we break 100, we'll go down to 92 all the way to 80 to 79. So I personally prefer to buy somewhere around like 85 to 75 from here based on the current setup. I don't think it's gonna be hitting all the way to 75, because I think that's a major separation from here. It's a big leap down. So in terms of the propensity of actually going down to, I think 95 would be very logical from here. XRP down about 6%. We're needing next level to 69. So would I be buying now, right? I would say, yeah, not terrible, because 69 will be a bounce based on the current setup. We're relatively oversold on XRP. So I think 69 to 57 is fair game. Polkadot down about 8%, right? So 1650 all the way to 1406 based on 37 out of 70 right now. So oversold right now. ALGORAND's down about 9% so far. 75 all the way to 67 is great. We're 37 out of 70 right now, so relatively oversold. So I think out of all times, buying now would be much better. Shiba Inu 2100, 1400 to 900. We are touching it almost, right? Based on the current setup, with the 40 out of 70, so still bearish overall. MagTax down about 5%, 142 to 120. AVAX down about 6%. I like anywhere from again, right, 59 to 50. But would I be buying now? I think right now it's actually not terrible. But that's, if I was to enter for the first time, 59 to 50. But I think anywhere from current level all the way to 68 or 70 is fair game in terms of buying right now. Terra is down about 6%. Large separation with the 40 out of 70. Large overreaction, I would say. And I think we will potentially crack down below and then touch 75. If we consolidate around 75, we'll break down 75, and then we have a long way to come down to 62, 52 to 45 from those respective levels, right? And you can see that Ethereum is kind of cracking below 50 right now, so we're not sustaining at the resistance level of 3050. So we see how the day progresses, right? And also with respect to other stocks like Tesla, it's selling off dramatically, down about 5%. And so is NEO. NEO will totally bounce from somewhere around like the 18, which is where we are, frankly. So I think that's, will be the bounce. We are at the 45, so I think as we come out open, we'll be somewhere around 35. So I think NEO is a buy right now. And Tesla is still bearish because of the large separation. We will fill the gap, which is something we did already. So coming down to, I think 925 would be very logical based on the current setup right now. And then BABA, for just for your FYI, we are at the consolidated level right now. So I don't see a major sell-off based on the current setup with the 45 already. So I think BABA is a dip right here. So all right. So hopefully this is helpful. Hope you guys have a good Monday. And I know it's a volatile time period as we get the CPI report coming up this week. And it's the second week of April, which historically, again, has been green. But, with the fear going on in the market and the media affectation is obviously driving some negativity. Okay. But appreciate you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.